In this video, I will be explaining to us more about MePass. Alright.
If today is the first time you are stopping by on my videos, do not fail to hit the subscribe button, like my videos, and drop a comment on my comment sections. Without further ado, let's go to the video.
I'll be explaining to us. You see, I have 1.577244848 MePass. If I don't want you to see it, I can physically close it and you will not see it. So this is my balance for now. Now, if you look at this part, you will see my total staking amount. This total staking amount is the initial one they will give you. Once you register on MePass, you'll be given one MePass or MEC. You'll be given one MEC, and that MEC will be automatically staked for you. Now, when it's staked, you can come in, you can click on my staking, all right, my total staking, and you come in every day to claim that which is staked here. So you can click on this Meta Earth individual, then you click on claim, then you claim. Now, when you are claiming, they might ask for gas fee. Alright, they might ask for gas fee, which possibly you might not be able to have because you need to refer. Now, when you refer people, that is where you make more out of this particular most of the airdrops. So now in MePass, when you register initially, you'll be asked to verify. You do your verification. After you've done that, I've claimed this. After you've done that, then you will start this transaction. You start your daily mining of the MePass, right? This project is very wonderful. I've withdrawn before, so let me show us my evidence of first withdrawal. I'll click on transaction and I'll go down to this was my first withdrawal, June 21st. All right, that is where I withdrew this. And I sold it off and I made money. At least I made $80 from it. Now, what do you do here? Once you register and you've gotten your one MePass, one MEC, and it is staked for you, you click on this part to always come and claim. If you want to be claiming every week or every month, you claim until you get at least 0.4 or 0.5 within this part, then you can sell off. Then you come down here and you click on your daily check-in. When you click on your daily check-in, you'll be given some words to type in into a space. Now, when you type in those words, you type in the word according to what is giving you, what they gave you in the space. You type it into the space, and when you get, if the particular word they are giving you for that day, that sentence is it does not occupy one space, and there's a word at the bottom, you just make sure you press you next to the bottom. So or you go to the bottom and continue the typing. Once you finish typing, make sure there's no space between what you have typed, then you can claim. That is where they show you the blue button, then you click on the blue button and you claim. Now, once you've done that, the next thing for you to do now is, if you want to send out your MePass for selling, you can easily click on this send.
So nothing more than that. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.